Welcome to Techno Trend Zone, your ultimate destination for the latest in Apple innovation and future-forward tech. Today, we're focusing on something that's capturing a lot of attention, the upcoming AirPods Pro 3. Apple has been on a roll lately, and if the rumors and leaks are accurate, their next-generation wireless earbuds might just change the game for personal audio, whether you're an Apple enthusiast or just curious about the next wave of smart earbuds. This video covers everything you need to know, from the latest updates and hidden iOS references to cutting-edge features that could redefine how we use earbuds altogether. Recent upgrades to AirPods Pro 2, a glimpse of the future before. Diving into the third generation, it's worth noting that Apple quietly pushed out some impressive updates to the AirPods Pro 2 with iOS 26, iPadOS 26, and macOS 26.1. Standout feature now allows users to record videos by simply squeezing the stem of the earbuds, a dream for vloggers and creators who want hands-free convenience while shooting content on the go. Apple also improved microphone performance, making voice recordings clearer and more natural. This enhancement is great for video calls, content creation, and anyone who values crisp, clean audio without needing a dedicated mic. iOS 26 code confirms AirPods Pro 3 are real. Digging through the iOS 26 beta, developers have found multiple software-level references to AirPods Pro 3. These codes mentioned strongly suggest that internal testing is underway and a release is not far off. Looking at Apple's usual timeline, with AirPods Pro launched in 2019 and the Pro 2 arriving in 2022, a 2025 launch lines up perfectly. We're expecting an official announcement later this year, likely during Apple's fall event alongside the iPhone 17 and Apple Watch Series 11. What about price? Despite new tech features and design changes, reports suggest that the price range will remain accessible, expected to fall between $250 to $280. That's a welcome move in a time when prices for consumer electronics keep rising across the board. Point 4. Big features leaked for AirPods Pro 3. Here's what could make the AirPods Pro 3 Apple's most exciting audio release yet. 1. A new look and feel. The design is getting a major refresh. Apple is reportedly redesigning the AirPods Pro 3 to be more compact with shorter stems and a sleeker build. Silicone tips will remain for noise isolation, but the overall shape may better adapt to your ears for increased comfort and improved passive noise cancellation. There's also talk of adaptive fit detection, technology that automatically adjusts settings based on how the earbuds fit in your ear, enhancing both comfort and sound performance. Point 2. Introducing the H3 chip. At the heart of this upgrade is Apple's all-new H3 chip, set to replace the H2 processor. The H3 promises serious performance improvements like lossless audio via a new ultra-wideband protocol, smarter noise cancelling that separates voice from background noise in real-time, improved battery life by as much as 20% with this chip. AirPods Pro 3 will feel more like a smart device in your ear than just a pair of earbuds. Point 3. Built-in health tracking. One of the most exciting rumors? Health sensors inside the earbuds. These may include heart rate monitoring directly from your ear canal, body temperature tracking for fitness and wellness insights. These additions could make the AirPods Pro 3 an incredibly valuable tool for athletes, runners, and health-conscious users, all without needing a separate fitness device or smartwatch. Point 4. AI features and live translation. Perhaps the most futuristic feature is real-time language translation. Powered by iOS 20's new live translation API, this function could allow two people to speak different languages, one with each AirPod, and hear live translations in real time. Other rumored AI features include smarter adaptive transparency that adjusts automatically to your environment, spatial audio improvements with better head tracking, dynamic personalized EQ that adapts on the fly based on your location, and noise level. Bonus features that could show up in addition to the core upgrades. Expect several new quality of life improvements, including USB-C charging case, phasing out Lightning ports, MagSafe Plus compatibility for improved wireless charging, better Find My precision for tracking lost earbuds on device, Siri, cutting down response time and improving privacy. Should you wait for AirPods Pro 3? If you're still using the original AirPods Pro or skip the second-gen upgrade, this could be the perfect time to make the leap. The AirPods Pro 3 offer more than just better audio. They're shaping up to be a health, productivity, and communication tool all in one. From intelligent translation and fitness tracking to powerful noise cancellation and smart assistance, Apple is aiming to pack pro-level power into a pair of compact earbuds. Thanks for tuning in to Techno Trend Zone. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Apple's next big move, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future updates. The tech world is evolving fast, and we'll be right here to keep you ahead of the curve. Until next time, stay informed, stay inspired, and stay futuristic.